Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. I love to scrapbook, rubber stamp, junk journal, and make cards. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Today I'm sharing something a little bit different. It is still paper crafting, but it's called a busted canvas. This is my busted canvas. I had a lot of fun making it. My friend Retta introduced our friend group to this project. There are lots of tutorial videos on YouTube how to do this. Just search for busted canvas. Our friend group made these busted canvas frames at a get-together recently. Here's our group photo. This group of friends has been scrapbooking and paper crafting together for 20 plus years. Many of us have been together for more than 20 years. And it is a fun group, and we just enjoy our time together. Retta brought the supplies we needed to create these, and several of us, 5 of us in fact, completed our canvases. Some of us took them home in various states of progress, but I want to share with you the 5 that were completed, starting with mine. These are 8x10 frames. Retta gave each of us a flat 8x10 canvas and a stretched 8x10 canvas. She got these at Dollar Tree. She also brought some paints that she found at Ross. And then we each brought papers and photos to include in our frames. Here's a picture of Retta with her busted canvas. It is amazing how each person brought their own personality to their projects. This is a closer look at Retta's frame, busted canvas frame. She used a picture with her husband, and I think it's just lovely. Sonia hosted our get-together. Here's a picture of Sonia with her frame. She featured a picture of her niece and great-nephews, and she did a great job embellishing around the edges. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Here's our friend Lori. She has a picture, actually she used 2 pictures with her husband in this frame. She's very talented. I love her paper selections here. Here's a close-up look of her frame. Isn't it absolutely just stunning? My friend Erin is a Disney lover. She has a photo with her daughter that she took in front of Cinderella's castle. I love how she used the fireworks paper. It really complements that castle, and what a cute picture with her daughter. And here's my frame. I used a picture from Epcot. The photographer said big hugs, and this is the picture we got. It's a great memory. I added a little Mickey Mouse button and a piece of paper that looks like the Epcot ball. What do you call that? Spaceship Earth. I will display this in my craft room and enjoy this memory. Both the memory of the trip to Disney, but also the memory of making these busted canvas frames with friends. I hope you enjoyed seeing lots of busted canvas ideas. They're all so different and unique. Some of us pulled the canvas way back. I needed to do that because I had a full 8x10 photo. And some of us didn't pull that canvas out quite as much. We didn't have larger photos, and that leaves lots of room on the canvas for embellishment. I'll probably do this project again with a smaller 5x7 frame just for fun. These are 8x10 frames, which were a lot of fun to use as well. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.